Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code of Duty. In this video I will show you how you can install Chrome extension in Microsoft Edge. Before I show you how you can install Chrome extension in Microsoft Edge, let's first download the Microsoft Edge browser. Go to new tab and Google Microsoft Edge. And this is the first link. Click on that. Here you will see this page. Choose your operating system version. Currently I am on the macOS operating system. Now after that click on download, accept and download. Now within 1 or 2 minutes depending on your internet speed it will be downloaded. Once the Microsoft is successfully downloaded, click on that file. Now you will see this installation screen. Click on continue, then click on install. If it asks for password, then enter the password. After a few minutes the Microsoft Edge will be installed on your operating system. The installation procedure for both Windows and Mac operating system is same. Click on close. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now click on this three dots icon. Now click on extensions. Now at the bottom left corner, click on this button, allow extension from other stores. Click on that. Now it will ask you for permission. Just click on allow. Now go to Chrome Web Store. Here you will see the old type of extension that is supported for the Microsoft Edge. Now let's for just example, I will try to install the Google Translate. Click on that. Now click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. So yeah, we successfully installed the Chrome extension in Microsoft Edge. Now follow the same procedure for other extensions like Volume Master. I'm just randomly installing any type of extensions. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and within few minutes it will be installed. Like it's installed here. Click on that. So we have successfully installed the Chrome Web Store extension in Microsoft Edge. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. All the best.